I'm gonna go further than Crockett, then call it the movie's done.
Okay.
Oh, it is the cross. Diablo CrossFit.
Our next station stop coming up in 25 minutes will be Richmond. Richmond, next station stop, 25 minutes.
I don't know what's going on there. It's the cross. That's nice they use that place now.
Yeah.
I guess they bought it from the city is here.
Maybe.
Or maybe they need a bigger place.
Amtrak 713 diverging clear over. 713 diverging clear.
Get ready for the guy's voice again.
UP detector milepost 31.4 track 3. No defects. Detector out.
Open. Oh, I got one friend there. Huh.
Yeah, well, he just called me and said actually the studio is in Oakland, it's in Richmond, so that's on there. You good? Yeah, I'll chill there. I'll be right there and keep it off. Richmond. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be. Yeah, I will be right there. Alright, well, I'm gonna be right there. So. And if you get off, right, and say you don't see me in the lobby, go to the right. Get out. Like, go to the right, the front, where the buses are. No, that would be the front on McDonald. Oh, it's fucked. It's about to be. It's kind of right, though.
I mean, it is like 90% of the language of the universe, and we all are subject to it. That's what changed my life when after reading that book, like my life found change. No, I read this book after I read this book, this man's book, which I found by chance because I never go to Stockton. My mom picked me up one day and we went to a thrift store in Stockton. I go straight to the books when I go to thrift stores. And I picked up that book and I was like, okay, it seems interesting. And once I started reading it, I kind of put it down. It detailed my mom to an exactly. My sister, it said my...
That's how that counts.
Yeah,
Everybody I
Really?
reported to. Did you read the part where it tells you how you can work through your issues?
I read it all.
Yeah, it's no talk. It's no. What like really stuck out to you?
Part of that, like, also, not the talents, but like the
Should be another Amtrak coming around here somewhere.
I don't know.
You don't eat right?
Let's get a bird.
Well, you know that all these fast food places are subsidized by the government, regulated by the
Hmm.
government to make it so.
That's a nice crossing to hang out at. It's a crossing.
The
Huh?
same people.
That's a dirt road, never mind.
Are like CEOs and on the chairman as fast food restaurants also work for pharmaceutical companies. So I mean, yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, you heard of the
The dock that gets, how do you go on there is burned.
Yeah, really. I don't know.
I can have an in-depth conversation with you on chemtrails that even a skeptic would agree on.
Well, that's what tinkles me.
Because I don't know if it's necessarily to
Fisherman.
bodies. Like it's like
Some people
specifically
fishing over
gonna
here.
hurt us, but I mean
Yeah.
it is. We do have aluminum. Do you use deodorant?
Yeah, let me know when you guys want to talk. The traffic's down there at that time all the way to 31.
No, you can. I use deodorant. That's fine. It will tell you like when you go home and look at the cool.
Oh, I know there's certain.
It will. Yeah. It will tell you though. It will tell you. Just make sure you will see like a lot of yourself change. I do food allergies. So basically, I say that I'm plant-based.
There's a fire over here.
Nutrition comes from
Yeah.
plants, but I don't.
There's a
I'll
tugboat.
be open to like if we want to go and have ice cream, you know, maybe I'll have a little bit.
UP
But I just don't
detector,
purchase
milepost
groceries.
27.8, track 2.
I've been going to Trader Joe's lately, but Whole Foods is down the street from me. I mean, it's cheap.
UP detector,
I'm trying to
milepost
start
27.8, track 2. No defect. Total axle 2-4. Train speed 4-4. MPH detector out.
But for example, like, they say that dairy creates people who've been drinking beer their whole life, like in the 50s and 40s, that's when they started emphasizing that.
Look how low the
Have
tide is.
osteoporosis. They're having like hip and bone fractures because your body is at the pH balance, but when it's not aligned to that pH balance, it creates acidity, and that's what is the prime cause of cancer. Is your pH balance is off, and so the meat.
See that? Look at all the stuff. Everything's like low.
But they emphasize it as a complete protein.
Everything's
and all
low.
that.
There's Crockett.
That's what they tell you.
No,
It really
Italy,
does.
right?
And it's a
Yeah.
false sense of energy because your body will be so
It's where you sit in the sun with
I
set when the
can
bucket's
run
on.
and run
That's right.
and run and have so much energy and do all these crazy things that I wouldn't have been able to do if I was consuming meat. And you can find ways to get complete proteins. It just depends on being, really conscious of the food decisions you make, knowing that a lot of these people who are trying to sell you stuff are really just trying to push your
You
body
look
into
over here?
a circle. That's why it's called the Food and Drug Administration. See what I'm saying? I'm not ashamed to say this, but we all have accesses to higher powers. Like you can really access.
And this is what the museum, where Railroad Club is.
I don't
What
have
is
my
it?
alchemy book,
It's around here.
but it's basically about being a master of yourself, and you can do like really crazy shit, like shit that they say that you're the human body cannot do, but you can really do it. But how many of us are?
Hot steam coming that thing.
Walking on water, levitating. No, like actually walking on water. But basically walking on water is like it goes into metaphysics, quantum theory, all these other different things. So you really have to.
Yeah, it is because there's the street
Yeah,
came down and
that's
went
right.
up that way.
That was,
I'm
yeah,
not
the
saying
sugar
that
place
it
was
can
right
happen.
there.
I might walk
Yeah.
on water in fall, but why not try? Why the fuck not? What else am I doing? But if
This
you're
is
really
where,
trying to get to that
Amtrak
good status to do something that's like Jesus-like, Christ-like,
6 or 7 we stopped here one time. We thought we hit person here.
Yeah.
you know, whatever.
And it wasn't, we were fine.
Alchemy is really train based on
Remember?
Mm-hmm.
so train like iron.
It was 80.
But the real goal is from within. It's mastering yourself. Because to be an alchemist is to make these sweet. You must first master yourself. I mean, when you look around and
Someone's
see,
fishing.
a lot of people's energy, especially going on guard all the time, you can see the energy in people, and if it seems depleted or if they're just thinking about lower consciousness type of things.
Oh, jeez.
And